Hello friends, welcome to Honey Bunch. Today we are going to see how to make paneer. Paneer is a very versatile cheese variety in Indian cuisine. Right from appetizer to dessert, everything can be made with paneer. Now let's see how to make this. Let's take a heavy bottom pan and pour some water. This water prevents the milk sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now let's add about 2 liters of full cream milk. Do not use non-fat milk, use only full fat milk. Bring the milk on medium heat by continuously stirring the milk. When the milk comes to boil, switch off the flame. Add the acid agent to the milk to curdle. Today I have taken lemon juice. You can also use vinegar or yogurt. Add little by little and stir continuously till all the milk curdles. When we see the slight greenish water, we know that the milk has curdled completely. This greenish water is whey water and the milk solid is chena. Now we need to add some ice cubes to reduce the heat. It will give very soft paneer. Place a colander over a bowl and line it up with a clean cotton cloth. You can also use cheesecloth or muslin cloth. Pour the curdled milk over the cloth. You need to be very quick in filtering this, otherwise the paneer will become very hard. Squeeze off the water completely. Be careful, it will be very hot. The water we are collecting is called whey water. It is a super nutritious water. It has protein and other vitamins. We can use this water in many recipes. We can also use this water in kneading the chapati dough. The chapati will be very soft while using this water. The curdled milk solid is called chena. We need to rinse it off very well to get rid of the sourness from the lemon juice. Rinse it with icy cold water, or you can even rinse it under running tap water. Now squeeze it well and take off the water completely. Now our chena is ready. It is perfect for making rasamalai, rasagulla, malai kofta and all. But for making paneer, we need a little bit more moisture. So I am adding a very little amount of whey water. Mash it well for 2 to 3 minutes. It helps in binding all chena and gives a nice shape to the paneer. Also, the paneer will be very soft. Now, I have taken a small plate with holes on it so that if there is any excess water in the paneer, it will come out. Place a heavy weight on the plate. You can use any heavy object. Let it rest for minimum 1 hour, not exceeding 2 hours. Our paneer has perfectly set. We got the perfect round shape. You can shape the paneer in whatever shape you want. Now we need to cut the paneer into cubes. Homemade paneer will stay good for up to a week in the fridge and for longer when stored in the freezer. Paneer is a very good source of protein and is loaded with calcium. So try to include paneer regularly in your diet, especially for the kids. Please do try making paneer at home and leave your feedback in the comment section below. See you all in another video. Until then, bye.